Welcome to the world of tarot. Tarot is like a friend who helps you discover your actual self and flourish. Tarot cards may appear weird or mysterious, but they may assist through your life. Tarot doesn't always predict the future, unlike a crystal ball. Here you are your own captain of your own ship, and tarot is your compass. The wonderful part of tarot is that it's personal. When you select cards and have a look at them, they tell a story just for you. They show you things that you may not have observed before. It is like a mirror reflecting your emotions, goals, and fears, allowing you to understand yourself better. Most of the time people think tarot is all about getting the correct answers, but that's not true. Tarot is more about getting to know yourself. It is okay if you do not constantly understand the process at first. Trust yourself, and the more you practice, the better it gets. Tarot doesn't decide, and it doesn't have all of the answers. It is like an old buddy who listens to you and gives you a fresh perspective on life. Don't forget, you have the power to shape your very own being. Tarot just shines like a candle in your adventure, making it brighter and more exciting. And guess what? Tarot loves newcomers. You don't need to be an expert or understand it. Anybody is welcome within the world of tarot. Whether or not you're a curious kid or a grown-up, tarot has something unique only for you. Imagine a unique set of cards that holds secrets and magic. This is a tarot deck. It's not your regular deck of playing cards. It is packed with mystical symbols and hidden messages simply waiting to be found. Tarot decks are mainly crafted for tarot readings and diving into your instinct, in which you are seeking advice, benefit your knowledge, and explore the mysteries of lifestyles. Let's take a closer look into these charming cards and the significance they carry in the world of tarot. The primary arcana is the star of the display, and it's easy to understand why. It's a family of 22 powerful playing cards, each one containing imagery and deep symbolism. Those cards restore the keys to great occasion of life and human emotions. They are like cosmic guides, leading us through the good and bad times, the thrill, and the difficult situations of life. When the primary arcana appears in a reading, you already know something important and transformative is about to spread. On the other aspect, we discover the minor arcana, an active bunch of 56 cards, divided into 4 suits: wands, cups, swords, and pentacles. Those fits may additionally sound familiar, like the ones in an ordinary deck of gambling cards. However, within the tarot, they carry a deeper meaning. Wands denote intensity and suggestion, cups denote emotions and connections, swords denote the fog of mind and decisions, and pentacles denote the tangible universe and physical things. The major arcana takes us on a journey to gain divine knowledge. The minor arcana grounds us to everyday life. It is like having communication with the universe about our feelings, mind, and important matters. These cards remind us that every second, huge or small, brings purpose and capability. Tarot decks come in all shapes and sizes. Each one is a unique masterpiece crafted by proficient artists and creators. A few decks stick with the conventional symbolism of the Rider-Waite tarot, while others are more recent and creative. Keep looking at different decks until you discover one you love is fascinating. So, combine some tarot cards and let the magic occur. Tarot delivers amazement, guidance, and excitement. Your thoughts guide you as the cards become your companions on this journey of discovery and gain. Go to astrosawal.com or download our app from App Store or Google Play Store to uncover the hidden mysteries of your life.